In the next series of videos, I will show you how to start a chat marketing agency from scratch. You're going to learn everything that you need to make your business profitable and successful. Hi, my name is Kelly Noble Mirabella. I want to take this opportunity to share the secrets of how I started my marketing agency from scratch, which eventually transformed into a chat marketing agency back in 2017, and today is a consulting agency. This journey has taught me so much about myself and how to be successful in business and entrepreneurship, and I can't wait to share it all with you. There is a lot to cover on this topic, so I will be doing this in a series. Be sure that you subscribe so you don't miss anything. This video is more about the what and why of chat marketing agency services. In future videos, I'll cover pricing, structure, finding your ideal client, and so much more. But we shouldn't run before we walk, so let's talk about why you should consider starting a chat marketing agency or adding chat services to your current agency. A chat marketing agency is a business that utilizes chatbots intending to provide engagement between a company and potential customers. The ultimate goal is to allow potential customers to interact with the company's products or services through messaging on the client's preferred channels. The benefits of building a chat marketing agency are numerous. First, you can take advantage of the growing market for chatbots. According to a report by Research Drive, the chatbot market is predicted to reach 19,570 million by 2027 from a significant market size of 2,568.3 million in the year 2019 at the growth rate of 28.7%. This technology is increasingly adopted by businesses to help them stand out from the competition. Second, you'll be able to reach more people depending on your geographical location. Businesses will hire you to integrate their products into a chatbot. They may wish to deploy globally or in a local region, thus allowing your marketing agency to obtain new clients from other cities or countries with ease. And third, you do not need to know how to code to build a chatbot. With the right chatbot building platforms and some training, you will be able to offer chat marketing services as part of your agency's service offering. Now, you may be wondering, what does a chat marketing agency do? You could start with the basics and provide consulting services to companies that just want to get those chatbots integrated and get an idea of how they can use them. In addition, you can create a bot for them. Suppose your client already has a chatbot. In that case, you could focus on improving its functionality by adding new functionalities to it, like connecting it to social ads or making it easier to drive sales and capture user information. Finally, a chat marketing agency can become an ambassador for your clients. You'll be able to leverage the popularity of the company's products or services by promoting it via their chatbot that you've integrated and improved on. In this way, you'll be able to gain more business, which will eventually lead to higher monthly earnings. So, how do you build a chat marketing agency? That is precisely the question I plan to answer in this series. In this series, I will teach you how to start a chat marketing company with the right tools and tips taken not only from my 11 years as a digital marketing agency owner, but also from the experience of so many of my colleagues in the field. This series will show you how to build a successful business from the ground up that focuses on providing value to companies using chatbots in those services that you offer. In the next video, I'll be talking about launching your agency from scratch and figuring out what kind of service offering do you want to explore. So be sure you subscribe. Do you have questions that you want me to cover in this agency series? Let me know in the comments. Oh, that's the end.